No, I can't be. At some point, people will pull you on. At some point, also one kasa will push.
Which people no more bow?
Oh, your co-artists, like some producers, some media.
Wait, man, body sebiao we are boami.
So shouts to King Sack, like yeah, coming up, you know, Sack was one of the first artists who put it on. Yeah, any Sack share your freestyles now the other day. The freestyle got attention. The fact saying a Sack war, or tweeted million couple times. Now the other day, some producers like Keso, Ground Up Charlie. Yeah, but no any all these people together and they drew hand.
Okay. But do you feel say there's no unity among the musicians in Ghana?
Charlie, share there is a vibe, but we standing together to like fight for one thing. You know, I don't feel like there's a body. There's a body of like collective artists. This what we want to do. Maybe a share like once or twice a month to
a dream.
Yeah, that's what should be happening.
Romeo, what's international?
Yeah, sure. We forfeit do that.
Yeah. Okay, so that was a little contribution that Kofi Mole also actually disclosed to the people that Sarkodie almost have vibe no concerning the artists no almost have vibe about okay so when they meet they have the vibe, but if you go individual ways maybe okay let's meet 3 times in a month nanke bia they meet and then know how the way forward. Maybe a craft be maybe on person mo bu anom multi crafts now. That one there omuni
can say music industry and now more creative art industry. This all what you want. Say obi idea mawa now acknowledge no.
No appreciate.
No appreciating no. Also I am uncle for because me yeah idea now one show me gratitude. Next time we will hear someone now me so me here me nya money be. And Kofi Mole the wayade say at least those who pave way for him no what him abo mudi and secondly also some question back say is it there say vibe now we want say we share now we have a conversation oh yeah we have artists be omo here me need Kofi Mole there but I have a lot of artists omo here say normal no me sack no get am only friends sack there like this only friends industry no musa but or more no vibe. And Wale and Jimmy first now Wale was one of Sarkodie's closest friends after a Castro. Now Wale Ben pa no too close go out together they do things a lot. And recently me who's a Sarkodie on can promise more this this young artist can promise the likes of Kepromise, Kosiata, Kidi, Joy B, them, so or no more movie around there. Or Anna Kepromise was on the cruise or no dark vibes and out to be someone to Obia on the vibe. What the Obia on the call for or no vibe. Maybe once the blue moon no munya shower, baby together now more my or more normal the other one's fine. I said no, a couple show say before we pass it through we will normal have a conversation then you go that's how it is and when they be you go you I say juma maybe me no work that vibe work juma you go fear that's all what I say you go on so no vibe no juma so no vibe no there if you so if you need juma more that vibe sanity here me there me who say I've seen a lot of
okay, so now the menu abema no so I believe say musician and I say the game players know how more music how more painful woman they also have to give a helping hands to the young ones to come up. So at the end of the day they will also appreciate them like the way Kofi Mole has been able to acknowledge and also appreciated what the highest did for him. And I believe that if we keep doing this, the paying for us each and every time. But they don't even appreciate. I'm more appreciating paying for be cry upon all the verses are much money they don't even appreciate them. And see, I believe that in paying for Beshana or my Buana Kuala so more appreciate you. And I believe that at the end of the day, come on. So let's move on to the next story. The next story is akatachie okatachie efrifa okatachie Kwame efrifa or politician and osaye radio show host now wababo ntia bekasa o se den Dampare message to Dampare wo de yenko tie no na yenhwe asema okafa yewura Dampare ho
Akufo-Addo any Dampare you see I'll tell you what IGP Dampare oba mu bi support o ya bo aba so say we ya de bati ba meka semcho ya ntire kroma ma ni nsemu ya ba ko anim ni aka che say one so gradually you are becoming like predecessors. We thought you were going to do something different but you are not doing anything different. You are gradually getting into the arena of being controlled by these politicians. Now I will come to you, but hold on. Such reckless statements and on any causing fear and panic. Such reckless statement from a member of parliament near Timiatina on your parliament or guest house of parliament. Any power timwa or making reckless statements anyhow, any day, anytime. Or to me the journalist for beto a year you can't say TV so Mushiana Mumunim Kono and eventually that person gets killed and the police they care less about what will happen. And we have such a person as a member of parliament and IGP also want to say statement to it and they jail Kwabrabo answer because Wakoka said what kind of situation hey Tia Mamika Samcho country no and here Akufo-Addo any Dampare you see I'll tell you what IGP
in fact we abume pa because what Okateche Elkanominia so only me be adwin I think he's really hitting hard on the rightful nail the right angle of the nail no hit pa nti kakra obeka fa sa asemu hu ne dem
Sameka IGP dey na na.
Yeah, yenko IGP dey you wi na meka da we dey no.
So all ka say IGP ebu na negu no awaso no. Menene ka the train kwa. I don't agree with him.
Okay, why? On what basis?
Yeah, because IGP by hunya hu aduma IGP.
Okay.
IGP no bia o ya de bone o de be
or the becho
what I say sa the predecessors no man no mo ye no nye no bi no nso ye den
okay
oh yeah so obe jan TV so e ka say IGP as start yes and no man bi there then it's a big lie odo kasa e say he is a politician Okateche also a politician so a TV host what I say and maybe he's talking out of being politics what I say or your politics and the media me hold there or how do I form kwan we try through because IGP I know now IGP have been following you know on your bias towards anyone or no and found so MPP no NDC and found so a big person or a small person
okay
a manager actually
so ebia on only point of view no se metina see ya now or make it point be very clear say a member of parliament Akoko Kasimbi wa misconduct say I think omo may fix the country in your money bino say omo small boys say omo nkobu nunkunu nti omo mbo nunkunu eno na ama all ka say Dampare should take a critical act on it.
A member of parliament Bena asuma
I'm say parliament meeting omo ye nhyiemu no and one of the members of the parliament and as parliament ni and MPB
asamo kan e kene Japan se no kan o ameswali die no esi ye no titi ameswali na e ka se ono bebi o mehia sa ameswali o mumbu ni nkunu ni sa na ma no be wu ye no ananya ameswali na wu ye no o be wu ye no man take any charge against e ka se Because Japan, sorry. Japan. And all la more kata say and pedophobia say more they are above the law. When they be see another be who do mutu book. I know no patch. But IGP is all assembly see na IGP niara.
Okay.
Well,
but don't you think that fix the country issue yana incidents will happen?
Okay, if I fix the country issue. I do by say IGP better not MPB attractive. A question to you. IGP better now. Now fix the country for not attractive. MP for MP attractive. Fix the country for any back. Now what job was that?
Our aunt now, sir, because Wabaso obey
who is above the law?
Come on.
And see, me, on my point of view, there, me dream say he's being as or your politics, what I say, or Kasafi, political way.
Okay.
Why me I don't agree with. I don't agree with Katachi. But
Okay.
second one now can make me. I can't be a phone kaka. I don't consider.
Or say, they had to put their legs down. No more focus on Nyoma Ebebuama, Nyoma Konkai. Now, I'm saying IGP or differently from what he's supposed to do.
No, make a comment. Be second comment. Be. Means of more producer as I will be one.
Producer, but you bet me there to move your mama.
Akufo-Addo ene dampare. You see, I'll tell you what. IGP dampare oba mubi support o ya bo abaso se wo ya de beti ba meka semcho ya ntene kroma ma ni nsemu ya ba hwe anim ni aka che say once so gradually you are becoming like your predecessors. We thought you were going to do something different, but you are not doing anything different. You are gradually getting into the arena of being controlled by these politicians. Now I will come to you, but hold on. Such reckless statements and on any causing fear and panic. Such reckless statement from a member of parliament near Timia Tina on your parliament or guest house of parliament. Any power timua or making reckless statements anyhow, any day, anytime. Or to me, the journalist for beto a year you can't say TV so Mushiana Mumunim Kono, and eventually that person gets killed, and the police they care less about what will happen. And we have such a person as a member of parliament, and IGP also want to say statement way. And they jail Kwabrabo answer because Wakwaka said, what kind of situation? Hey, Tia Mamika Samcho, country no and here Akufo-Addo.
Okay, so now the echo pay no. It's I very clear amount here.
I say fix the country the end no can once and boy na ye no. Ono na say one. On there akwese na say no. You don't have a willingness and enya that freedom to talk no. Sir, me but upon me investigations and no my friend my watching it since I'm a huno. O kasabia na one kasa ye pe ni abecho. Because you see I know about minimum about we no much chick for my heart.
Yeah.
Recently actually a journalist be 2-3. What I say and now you see face the country nipa back on so channel. So I don't know what's going on. And the whole of Katachika there in the metal as a different one they make be man. Ghana no I'm not your freedom to speak. What I say. I know you as a president Nana Akufo-Addo bow to Obeka say let's be us citizens, not just spectators. That means a no more baby are antosin and I had atosin and as an uncle you bet my abos, you bet my kasa. So what's happening now?
I say more.
Now see I say Captain Planet, you have a channel.
Captain Smart.
Another other. Captain Smart, you have a channel. Oh, I got a general debris show. How? Me call into the me call me Kasakwana Mizuru. Because I am Kasana here, little mistake be better for me. How? Not freedom of speech in another. Can say journalists for freedom of Kasano Timber Kasano.
Anyway, that's just by the way. So let's move on to the last story for the day. Now, I'm sorry, you made it so. I'm say still on the United Showbiz Omo program no Omo here weekend no. In fact, Omo kokasa pa based on Shatawale issue no, on Jackie issue no. Na Yvonne Nelson na na host no. Because now I'm saying McBrown no near around it. Yvonne take it over. Now Yvonne make it obisa Bullhouse question be Shatawale ni manager. Obisa no critics about Jackie Appiah issue no. But share the way na Bullhouse or explaining as na I say on me and go straight to the point. Or no and I say or try say or better doesn't stay from the act. When the young share video ni bro and share video ni bad then we know how to contribute towards it.
God, what do you think about video? No, and they shut up. What are your thoughts?
Honestly, I have no thoughts on it, and I think if I'm being asked to say yes, it's good or no, it's not good, I mean I'm not in that position to decide. These are, or Shatta is an individual, he's his own man. Or no one or feel say or beka or kayeno. I'm not with Shatta or I'm not with Yvonne. Jackie. You know, because if may reflect it back akra, I think so all Kasano. Or say Jackie Akani. You know, it's more personal. It's just that it happened in the public domain. I honestly don't have an opinion on that.
But you say show so more discussing kofo.
Oh,
you see videos and more discussing there and kofo can more videos.
Yes.
So I'm just
no. I mean your question is legitimate, but I'm saying I have no thoughts on it.
You have no thoughts.
Exactly. I mean I don't know exactly unless you have a specific question.
So like, it's not bad. It's not good. You don't.
It's just there for me. You know. It's just. You know, Shatta being Shatta. I mean, there's nothing new.
So you're the manager now.
Oh, I mean, you see, I don't look. This is what we need to. There has to be a line that has to be drawn. When Shatta goes out there and does fantastic music, nobody comes to me and say, "Hey, Charlie Boo, you try." Or when he's picking all the awards everywhere, nobody comes to tell me. You will not see me and say, "Oh, Charlie, this is your song," you know. Or when he was all over the place with Beyonce, nobody came to me. So if he's on somebody else, I don't know why I'm being asked that.
Why the nigga
Exactly, you understand what I'm saying? So this is a personal matter, it's not a professional issue.
Right.
If you want to talk to me about Shatta, let's discuss this. He has an upcoming album, you know, then we'll talk about that. But his personal stuff, I don't talk about. I mean,
so the video is personal?
It's personal, it's not professional, is it?
But I'm not from.
I know. I was coming to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Who's saying? Video
because I heard him giggling. I don't know.
Why I should cry? Okay. Yeah, Shatta, turn on your live video and watch after
You
that.
understand? So, I mean, unfortunately, I can't. I don't have an opinion on that.
Shut up.
Okay, so Minia, I'm say Boo House. I was expecting him. Boo House.
I'm say Bulldog.
Nidianka say Bulldog, but Nidian all use social media near Boo House. Yes. So Bulldog, the statement that all kind, based on Asama Yvonne Nelson ebisa no, because at a point no, okay say, aren't you the same people modern nkofo nsem ebetina show we so na mo discuss your mono. But Shatta Wale issue came, you are not able to give any better critics to it. Minia, I present this to you.
You see, the hypocrisy to the highest level. Or say, or making something say, it is Shatta Wale private life. And then who you answer it, whatever about or can answer. On the hypocrisy life. Obedient a buy a Bulldog and because he is Shatta Wale. On Ghana a problem no. Because he is Nanado. Because he is John Mahama. Because he is Sarkodie, we can't talk. Only hypocrisy because he managed Shatta Wale, so okwa Shatta okan kwasa sama another can be Shatta Wale be sakeno. If you don't even cash fano, then he will still continue to fool. We are the manager, according to Chimino, then you direct him this and what you are doing.
But you think say, they've once had a beef between Ono Shatta Wale and in the manager.
Forget to say they once
had a beef. The second one will come again.
And I can obey Lucina Juma. He will be laid off. And I am so because I don't clear so Wale age me Wale din kwasasem So you have to say it clearly. Who say kaya give on name? I not kaya after the baby or make a statement. We say no one has the right to touch or tarnish someone's image.
Yes.
Obekanye. Later on, Obekanye.
No one has the right to speak down on anybody.
You see that thing? Oh, hypocrisy to the highest level. Because he is Shatawale, I cannot talk. Because he is Sarkodie, I cannot talk. But obedient by Abna Kokoba,
so according to Wale, no, according to Bulldog, no, no one has right to talk to anyone or talk down about anyone. It's Adentina. Shatawale was talking down.
I in America say, ultimately go straight to the point. Ultimately Kasa. On the Oslo. Oh, Wale, make beats here. Maybe me manager, me lose my juma. And I say, like, on me.
Yeah.
What I say? And now, like, who said the Wale any wrong? Who said wrong? Basakov, he is close to Wale, he cannot voice out. That's the issue. And I got anything more, because I'm MPP. When MPP is fooling, I cannot talk. Because I'm NDC. When NDC is doing this, I cannot talk. That's the problem we live in this country. And now, my brother, yeah, Basano. Wale Jimmy, oh Jimmy, or come kwasasem, oh put him right, oh Wale, and then the you go far. So what am I saying? Oh Wale, the walk far. It shouldn't be so. When you go and apologize, but you didn't do that. What the hell? Maybe I come and move in a private life. Oh my, over to UTV. I can't master. Showbiz now, over Kano. I am my own private life.
Of course.
Who did Ronaldo attempt? I don't know any private life. So or the back or share aeroplane money and their whole life.
Tell come be fan call you.
I don't discipline here, discipline here can on straight.
On the boss Nina, a scale of preference.
Because no, what a UTV and a national TV, I didn't comfort them. I don't know any records now. Yeah, or records no by any of the Casa. Who didn't comfort them? I'm not calling issue by who Budok did even when did not them. I don't know any private life. I don't know a celebrity lifestyle. I would did that time. I could force shoes by and then I who Budok won't come. But one lady buy the who can any private life. After the wallet or private life. Say, a band say, Mokani, album promotion on fine omra. Album promotion there among ones. And then the wound be beside album promotion. What the castle be release album that how many and then the hook or so of what Jimina or what can Quasageno and then the old guys album promotion on Famra.
Okay, so now we Obo Bana wa kasa kama efa yanka say bra Shatawale. Yes, Shatawale who didn't say hunu of late. Just try to put a stop to it. Be on your toes and be like a man. Don't speak like a lady because a man on for phone bitching social media. We didn't quite yourself. So be yourself, be a man, be outspoken. But it should be what? It should come with matured mind.
The likes of Yvonne Nelson, the likes of Jakapia, the likes of Nadia Bori, this true man, the likes of that Jocelyn Dumas, any some man, one about Abedi like Abedi do Obama Poatam da. One about like epic controversies and one about that Okasa Bahat on social media. They respect themselves a lot.
Who studying so? Omo high school in Zubebrezu na Omanko university in on social media bidding one.
And I make an so he said
Obi to say shwa ama if you are shwa. Obi to say Shatawale.
So to mama if you are
Obi to say down on a piano you can say girl we Chase watch it. Omo dey din kwasi asem o man we mu. Gina omo Wale piano about what did you go for Bratem? Sarkodie Samini Tomboy Jakapia what did you lot Reggie Rockstone called it that Reggie Rockstone a bravo boy and who boy be saying okay so a higher York FM HYT our blazing power Hannah, Jumedi no be my kwine dey si emre no call Emre no kopa inti mu de mo fa che nyame bo ochina same time you be say hia ne atwetwe nkomo after social trends ho
so me mo bra we dey jeja ho na ya me dey
don't envy baby blow with the blow she am here blow with the blow
na kwa ku free body asemebo